Hello, today we will guide you through how to disable Cloudflare. To get started, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview page for your account. This is the main area where you can view and manage the domains connected to Cloudflare. If you manage more than one domain, take a moment to confirm that you are signed into the correct account before making any changes. That helps prevent accidental updates to the wrong site. Once you're on the Domains Overview page, click on the sample domain you want to disable Cloudflare for. This will open the settings and management options for that specific website. It's important to choose the correct domain here, especially if your account includes multiple sites with similar names. After opening the domain, click on the Overview tab. The Overview section contains the main controls for the domain, including status details and account-level actions. This is the area where Cloudflare places important domain management options, including the one needed to remove the site from their service. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Overview page. Some of the most significant actions are located near the bottom, so make sure you continue scrolling until you reach the section with domain removal options. It's a good idea to read carefully before proceeding, since removing a domain from Cloudflare can affect how your website traffic is routed and protected. When you find the option, click Remove from Cloudflare. This action begins the process of disconnecting that domain from Cloudflare's services. Before you continue, remember that this can impact features such as CDN delivery, security protection, DNS handling, and performance optimizations that were previously managed through Cloudflare. Finally, enter the confirmation as prompted and then click Remove to complete the process. This confirmation step is there to make sure the change is intentional, since it can have immediate effects on your site configuration. After the domain is removed, you may need to verify your DNS settings with your hosting provider or domain registrar to ensure your website continues to work properly. If you're doing this in a live environment, it's often helpful to double-check those details in advance so there's no interruption in service. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of disabling Cloudflare for your domain.